Good evening, Crossway families. My name, for those of you who don't know, is Steve Potter. I've been involved in children's ministry here at Crossway for many years. A few years ago, I introduced to the Mission Possible program a series of books that are Advent storybooks by an author named Arnold Triade. And he has done an amazing job of writing 4 stories, all from different perspectives of different characters that tell the story of the coming of the Messiah. Stories that are high interest, that are captivating, that are engaging, and that just keeps the kids on pins and needles really as you read through the story, never knowing what to do. So, what I want to do is just take a moment to explain how this is going to work. If you are new to Mission Possible, each year at this time, as I say, we do a story. It tells the adventures leading up to Christmas to prepare the children for what is going to happen and what this season really is about. And it's again through a very captivating and interesting story. If you are returning and you've been in this before, then you've heard at least one or maybe several of the stories. But this will be a new one. So we have 4 different stories. So typically, children in Mission Possible for 4 years. So through their time in here, they will hear each of the stories one time. Now, last year we started with the first story in the series of Jotham's journey, a little Jewish boy named Jotham and his adventures. This year we will be reading Bartholomew's Passage, which I will explain more in just a few minutes. If you're fortunate enough to be around next year, we will be doing Tabitha's Travels. And then the final book in the series is Ishtar's Odyssey. So what this book does is it's broken up into daily readings, spread out beginning 4 weeks before Christmas. So they'll start November the 30th, November 29th, next Sunday. And there will be a reading each night that you can listen to. There will be all separate readings, so you can listen to one each night. If you get behind and need to catch up, that's great. If you want to sit and listen to more at one time, you can do that as well. At the end of each reading, there is a short little summary slash devotion or just some thoughts that the author has put together to help explain a little bit about the story and a perspective with the scripture with it. So you can listen to that as well. Those are on the end of each night's recording if you choose to do that. But I'm really excited about your child being able to hear these stories. So we will be, as I said, be reading Bartholomew's Passage this year. So you will be getting a link for each night's reading. As I said, it will begin next Sunday, November the 29th. And each night there will be one for you to listen to. And again, it just tells the story of the little boy Bartholomew, a 10-year-old boy, and some very fascinating and interesting things that happen to he and his family. And as they prepare and go into the Christmas season. So I hope that you enjoy these. Hope you find these engaging and exciting as my family did. I read these with my children when they were younger and we discovered these books. And my kids couldn't wait to the next day when we would do that night's reading. It was really the highlight leading up to Christmas every night. And of course, the story ends on Christmas Day. So again, hope you find these interesting and looking forward to being able to share these with you. Now, all the readings this year will be audio. So you just can find a place, sit comfortably with your family, and listen to the story and then discuss it. So again, I hope you find these to be engaging. I hope you find them to be useful for your family as you prepare for this holiday season. Thank you and have a great evening.